how you can remove your credit or debit card billing method from LinkedIn. Like in some cases, you have to remove it before renewal date. Like in my case, my renewal date is like tomorrow. So I'm going to remove it because I don't need LinkedIn Sales Navigator anymore. So first you are on your home page, and then you have to click on for business. Okay, and here you will find manage billing. Okay, I'm going to click on manage billing. Okay, and it will take us to right on our billing dashboard, and from there you can see that you will find this payment method. Okay, first is overview, second is purchases, and third is payment methods. You will click on payment method, and you can see that you can add different payment methods, or you can remove. Like in my case, I'm going to remove both of them. Okay, first let me remove this one. Okay, delete, and the last one I'm going to delete this one as well. Okay, so I cannot delete this one, so instead, what I'm going to do is that I will just disable the. Instead, I will add another debit or credit card which is not having any balance, and from there, I can remove this one, current active one. So that's how you can remove or add any billing credit or debit card, guys. I just wanted to share with everyone because I was having trouble finding this thing. So I thought that I should be sharing this one with everyone. Thank you so much.